what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you and your family are doing fantastic. As for me, I am doing great. In this video, I am going to show you a temporary update that I've made in my family dining area. I brought in this chair from my former dining area in here. I posted this picture on Instagram. So many people like it. I did not want to leave you guys behind because you guys are my original Glam Squad. I thought I would give you guys an up close of what they look like in my everyday dining room. Even though I know many of you have seen them in my former dining room before. This is a temporary change. They are gonna go back in my former dining room. If you do not follow me on Instagram, you have to go follow me on Instagram if you like my decor. I post almost every day on Instagram. Over there, I am Decor.glamstyle by Dalou. With that said, let me take a moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. I upload glam home decor, DIY, and cleaning videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell if you are into this thing so you don't miss any videos as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. It's always good to see you. Guys, I am in love with my pink flower and my candle arrangement. I'm gonna change it up just for you guys. And I will set up the table as well. But before I do that, let me show you this bar card from Jubao. It is very nice. I really like the X shape. The gold color is a nice shade, nice finishing tone. When I first received the bar card, I wasn't sure how to feel about it. But I've owned it for 3 weeks now. And I've grown to really love it. In this channel, I always like to talk about packaging because to me, packaging means a lot. As you can see, the product was well packed. However, the first one that I received, the platform for the tray was broken. It wasn't anything big, like I wouldn't be able to use the bar card. I reached out to the company. Within a few days, they sent me a brand new one. So customer service is pretty good from my experience. Putting the bar card together was a breeze. Maybe it took my husband 30 minutes to do it. It came pre-installed. All the holes were pre-drilled and pre-hinged. The glass is thick enough and seems to be great quality. I got it for my office, but I thought I would show it to you guys now. You can find it on Amazon.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. So now it's time to dress it up, and I'm going to start with this beautiful tray from Home Goods. I'm gonna add the drink of the moment. And these are the glasses that I'm using. They are from Home Goods. On top, I'm going to borrow this super glam vase and floral arrangement from my island. The vase is from Z Gallery and the flowers are from, I think, Hobby Lobby. These vases, they came in a pair from Amazon. What do you guys think about them? 2 of them for $42. The bar card has the swivel wheels. And it can be locked. This way, it's easy for the bar card to move from point A to point B. On the Amazon website, it says the bar card is scratch resistant. Let's try it out. As you can see, it passes the test with fly color. One of my favorite things about the bar card, I can use it indoor and outdoor. For the past 3 weeks, it has been outside and there is no discoloration. As I mentioned, you can find it on Amazon. Link will be in the description box. Please check it out. Also, check out the coupon to save an additional 10% off. You guys always ask about this tray. It is a wall mirror from Amazon. Everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box and in my Amazon store. Everything that I'm going to use on this table setting is from Home Goods. Except for the vase, I purchased the vase at HomeSense. When I saw these super glam napkin rings at Home Goods, my jaw dropped. Although they are glam to the max, I thought the designs were perfect for summer. They are giving me that summer vibe. Although my napkins needs to be ironed a little bit, I don't like to iron, so I'm not going to do that since this is not a real dinner, and this decor gonna be off the table within a few hours from now. We are double up on the glam. I place another napkin inside the bowl and of course with the other napkin rings. I love these glasses. They are super stylish and unique. Since I purchased them, I never saw them again. I can never make it on my own. Later on, I'm gonna go back and add another bunch of flower because I didn't feel like it was full enough for me, but it was done off camera. As I mentioned, these flowers are from Home Goods, and the other white ones that are going to be added are from TJ Maxx. These are the curtain tab bags that I am using. They are from Amazon. You guys really like them and always ask about them. They are super inexpensive but add so much glam. I'm using two different styles. Both styles came in one pack. The table is not sitting right under the chandelier anymore. I pushed the table back closer to the window Also, I removed the console table that used to be in the corner. Eventually, I will move the chandelier on top of the table. Newer art on the wall is from Macy's Backstage. This was so inexpensive, only $13. I have no idea something for $13 would make such a big difference. My new platter, super cute, is from Tuesday Morning, and the tree is from Michael's. The beautiful moss balls are from Amazon. Glam Squad, that's it for this update. Please go in the comment section. Let me know how you like the chairs in here. Currently, they are sold out on the Wayfair website, but they do have a few of them available on the Neiman Marcus website. I'm gonna leave the name of the style and the designer in the description box. If you are interested, you have to keep checking online, because whenever they pop in, they pop out so fast. This is the reason why even when I put a link in the description box, sooner or later, the link doesn't work anymore. Also, do not leave without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. Also, remember to check out the barcode from Jubao. Their Amazon link will be in the description box, along with a coupon code to save 10% off. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.